Hey, everyone! Waving hand welcome to my brand new channel, DIY Recycled Studio, where creativity meets sustainability and style comes to life with simple things you already have at home. If you love home decor, enjoy making things with your hands, or want to explore beautiful ideas using waste materials, cardboard, and recycled items, then you're in the right place, and I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Shagufta Praveen, and I've always believed that you don't need a big budget to make a beautiful home. With a little imagination and some leftover materials, you can turn trash into treasure, and that's exactly what this channel is all about. On this channel you'll find, we believe that style doesn't need to be expensive. You can transform waste cardboard, paper, plastic bottles, old jars, newspapers, basically anything you already have at home, into stunning, modern, and eye-catching decorations. All you need is a little creativity, and I'm here to guide you through that journey. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy and affordable home decor idea using waste cardboard and paper. Yes, that's right. Something that would normally be thrown away will now become the center of beauty in your room. And don't worry, even if you've never done any DIY or craft before, my step-by-step guidance will make it super simple and fun for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, you'll find something inspiring here. But before we get into the craft itself, let me tell you a bit about what you can expect from this channel in the future. White heavy checkmark easy and budget-friendly DIY home decoration ideas. White heavy checkmark beautiful crafts using cardboard, paper, bottles, jars, and more. White heavy checkmark festive decor, wall hangings, organizers, and upcycled furniture hacks. White heavy checkmark simple step-by-step tutorials for beginners and pros alike. Sparkles creative wall hangings from scrap. Sparkles modern table decor using cardboard. Sparkles festive DIY decor for all occasions. Sparkles budget-friendly room makeovers. Sparkles and lots of ways to reuse old stuff and save money. I'll also be sharing tips and tricks to make your crafts look store-bought while spending close to nothing. Because that's our goal, to create beauty while saving money and reducing waste. Recycling symbol. So, if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me a comment to tell me what kind of craft you want to see next. Let's build a community of creativity, eco-friendliness, and smart home styling together. Now grab your scissors, cardboard, and a little imagination, because we're about to make something amazing.